Okay, types of agriculture, subsistence agriculture, when farmers produce crops for their survival to sustain their family is known as a subsistence agriculture. So what are the basic characteristics of a subsistence agriculture? Generally, the people are producing as a crops in a smaller agriculture fields. Characteristics of subsistence agriculture. Characteristics or features of subsistence agriculture. अच्छा seeds है हमारे पास. उठिए seeds आगे आ जाओ. Single seed. Subsistence agriculture. आपकी सीट का आपकी का yes come in जाइए सीट्स है हमारे पास तो यूज करो आपकी तो यूज करो Okay, smaller agriculture fields. Second, characteristics of subsistence agriculture. Yeah, Jen.
Sir, kindly hear microphone.
I'm audible. Okay. So the smaller agriculture fields. Second, small agricultural fields. Second, traditional seeds. Traditional means they are not used as a genetically modified seeds. HYV seeds use नहीं होते हैं. जो last year grains procure किए थे upcoming years के लिए खाने के लिए. Same seeds, traditional seeds used for a cultivation. Third, SWDS. सीड क्यों होगा? एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप्स की बात हो रही है, इसमें सीड की बात होगी. ये भी ले आओ कहीं से. थर्ड, डिपेंडेंस ऑन रेन. डिपेंडेंस ऑन रेन. They are not having as assured irrigation facilities. Canal irrigation is not possible. Tube wells are not there because farmers are the poorer. That's why they are dependent on a rain. Fourth one, traditional seeds, dependence on rain. Fourth, animals, cultivation based upon animals. They use the bullocks for the tilling of land, tilling, leveling for purposes they use as animals. Clear? Based on animals. Animals, bullocks, tractors नहीं होते हैं. For example, I am possessing, in reality, I am possessing as a 1 acre of land. अब मुझे 1 एकड़ लैंड के लिए ट्रैक्टर परचेज करना पड़ेगा 12 lakhs का. वो मुझे प्रॉफिटेबली, वो तो मेरे लॉस की चीज है. ठीक है. फॉर द टिलिंग, जब मुझे आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग, whenever I need as a tractor, for this as a cooperative societies are there. मैं रेंट बेसिस किससे भी ले सकता हूँ. ईशान जी कह रहे हैं अपना परचेस करके रख लेते हैं. काम क्या है उसका? कुछ भी ना. नेक्स्ट, लो स्केल प्रोडक्शन. लो स्केल प्रोडक्शन. स्केल प्रोडक्शन. स्केल प्रोडक्शन. After harvesting, production is a low scale. If the smaller fields are there, then the production simultaneously it will be as a low scale. Last, family members collectively contribute in production. Contribute in production. Family members collectively contribute in production means labor not required. Members contribute in production. Contribute in production. One more, last. Agriculture. Agriculture based upon natural fertility of soils. Natural fertility of soils means they are neither used as a chemical fertilizers. Natural fertility of soils. Fertility of soils. अब इसका एक ड्रॉबैक निकलता है. Whenever the land loses their fertility under such circumstances, they left a land for a certain period of time. Such kind of a land is known as, we discussed this thing in our first chapter of resource, second chapter, I think. What we called it? Amarjot. हमने 2 साल रेगुलरली प्रोडक्शन किए, उसके बाद लैंड इज नॉट केपेबल फॉर अ प्रोडक्शन. लैंड लूजेस देयर फर्टिलिटी क्योंकि हम कोई फर्टिलाइजर यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं. Such kind of a land unused, remain unused for a certain period of time, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. What we call to that kind of a land. Land loses their fertility, not capable for a simultaneous regular production. We left a land for a certain period of time. Reuse of land. Yes, Ashpreet. Ashpreet. Yes, Janvi. Janvi. Yes. Now. Yes. कर सकते हैं. This is a possibility. But crop rotation के लिए, for example, some of the crops are there which needs a plenty of water. Rice की production करनी water required है. वो आपके पास assured irrigation तो है नहीं. You are dependent upon a monsoons. वो पूरा साल नहीं हो सकते ना. Winters में क्या करोगे? Leguminous plants only possible during the after the winters. Yes. Fallow land. Very good, Janvi. Sorry, Saumil. Fallow land. FALLOW. When land remain unused for a certain period of time to regain its fertility naturally is a fallow land. FALLOW. एक agriculture season, for example, आपने wheat की production कर ली है. You are neither producing the rice on a same agriculture fields. Afterwards, after 6 months, you are again using as a land for a cultivation for the wheat. Fallow land, current fallow land. कर सकते हैं पर विंटर्स में नहीं कर सकते हम. उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है हमारे पास. Leguminous plants you can produce during as a summers only. ठीक है ना? चलें यार. Next. So the first category under the subsistence agriculture is a primitive subsistence farming, I think. Slash and burn agriculture, which is also known as a shifting cultivation. Sit down, Janvi. Sit down. Subsistence के अंदर सब कैटेगरी है स्लैश एंड बर्न एग्रीकल्चर और शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन. अनिक कुंद्रा, शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन. This is the shifting cultivation. So with the name is clear, when the people are shifted from one place to another for the search of a fertile lands is a shifting cultivation. Generally has practiced by the tribals. But after the independence of India, government of India, it banned upon a shifting cultivation. Clear? In shifting cultivation, tribals, they choose as a land, they cutted the trees, burned the shrubs and sowing the seeds in a remains ash, which was used for the production. Continuous use of a land leads to the decreasing the land fertility. When land decreases their land fertility, under such circumstances, they displace towards the other land for the search of a newer fertile lands. This was a shifting cultivation. Any doubts? Any doubts? No? So Cheshta, yes. Boliye. Doubt boliye. When tribals earlier, they choose a land, forested land, they cut the trees, burnt the shrubs, slash and burn. इसीलिए इसका नाम slash and burn रखा गया. They cut the trees and burn the shrubs, slash and burn. Why we call as a shifting? Because they displace from one place to another for the search of a fertile lands. Clear? So after the burning of a shrubs, the remains ash used for a production of a crops. Continuously, they use a land for a number of years. When land loses their fertility, they displace towards the other areas, shift towards the other areas for the search of a new fertile lands. That's why it is known as a shifting cultivation. Clear? Any doubts still there? Nobody? Yes. Zoom cultivation. नाम बताते. यहाँ तक किसका कोई doubt? Nobody? Sure. So, Saksham Bhagoria. मैंने कहा ट्राइबल्स when they assume that a land loses their fertility, that's why they displace towards the other areas. When we are talking about the tribals which are not familiar with the scientific techniques, how they assume that a land losing their fertility, वो तो तभी पता लगेगा सॉइल को टेस्ट करने के बाद. वो कैसे assume कर लेते थे? Crop, every year the decreasing production. For example, first year as a 10 quintals of a production occur on a same field. Next year again as a 10 quintal, but a third year as a 7 quintal, fourth year as a 6 quintal, fifth year as a 5 quintal, simultaneously decrease in fall in a production. It symbolizes the land losing their fertility. Clear? So very good. So shifting cultivation known with the different names in a different parts. Dahiya in a Madhya Pradesh, DAHIYA. DAHIYA, Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh. Jhum cultivation, jhuming, Akshat, sit properly. Jhum cultivation or jhuming in the northeastern states. In northeastern states, Milpa, Mexico. Milpa, Mexico. Milpa is the name of shifting cultivation in Mexico. MILPA, Milpa. Ray in Vietnam, RAY, RAY. Ladang in Indonesia, Mexico, RAY. Ray in Vietnam, 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 Vietnam. Ladang in Indonesia, LADANG, Ladang in Indonesia, Malaysia. Ladakh ni Ladang, G. Ladang Anikundra, Ladang. Indonesia, Malaysia. Roca in Brazil, ROCA, Brazil. ROCA, Brazil. Khil in Himalayan region, KHIL, Anik, KHIL, Himalayan region, etc. Madhya Pradesh. Clear? So shifting cultivation, it is as the harmful for the environment. How? What are the demerits of a shifting cultivation? Demerits, it leads to deforestation. First, it leads deforestation. Demerits of a shifting cultivation. First, deforestation. Second, burning of a tree shrubs leads to pollutants in environment. It pollutes environment. Third, very good. It leads soil erosion. The topmost layer of the earth crust, it will be removed by the running water and blowing wind. Soil erosion. Full stop. ठीक है? हाँ जी. Demerits. What are drawbacks, demerits of a shifting cultivation? Deforestation. What? हाँ जी. Disadvantages. Soil erosion, deforestation, and pollution. Next type of a cultivation is a nomadic farming. First रहेगी intensive subsistence agriculture. वो बताई नहीं आपने. Subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming. वो subsistence के अंदर है. Intensive subsistence farming practiced in a densely populated areas. अभी ब्रेक हुई थी बच्चे. Densely populated areas intensive subsistence farming. Intensive means small scale. Subsistence means sustained survival farming. When farmers are produce crops in a smaller agriculture fields for their survival is an intensive subsistence farming, which has practiced in a densely populated areas. Densely populated areas, DENE, Anikundra, densely populated areas. What it means a density? Density? Anji. Density means when more number of people are living in a per square kilometer area, per unit area is known as density of population. So densely populated areas with the use of a modern inputs of farming, inputs, fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides, pesticides. Smaller fields are not capable for a production without use of a modern inputs. Modern inputs of farming like fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides, pesticides, etc. Fertilizers, etc. To raise production. They are used to raise production from smaller agricultural fields. From smaller agricultural fields. Smaller agricultural fields. So drawback. What's the drawback of it? Soils are sustained on fertilizers. They are not capable for a production of crops without use of fertilizers. For example, Punjab. When Green Revolution introduced in Punjab, it increased the production of wheat and rice. But due to the regular or excessive use of fertilizers, our soils are sustained on it. अगर आप fertilizers use नहीं करोगे, production can't possible. हाँ, लोग निर्भर हो गए हैं. ठीक है रितम जी. Next. Yes. Sustain on fertilizers, without which the production is not possible. Production is not possible. One more thing, increase in population. The question is, what are the reasons responsible for smaller land holdings, small agricultural fields? High cost of the land. Small agricultural fields. Clear? First point is increasing growth of a population. Increasing population or लैंड की कॉस्ट क्यों हाई होगी? बिकॉज सप्लाई ऑफ लैंड इज नॉट देयर. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द रीजन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द शॉर्टेज ऑफ लैंड? सॉइल, आपके पास लैंड की शॉर्टेज है, आपने फॉरेस्ट लैंड डिफॉरेस्टेशन के थ्रू लैंड ऑक्युपाई किया, उससे तो लैंड का साइज बढ़ना चाहिए. जो लैंड पहले फॉरेस्ट के अंदर था, आज वो एग्रीकल्चर के अंदर आया. इट मींस साइज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड इट शुड बी एज इंक्रीज, एक्सपैंड होना चाहिए. मेरा क्वेश्चन है डिक्रीज हो रहा है. नोबडी नोट डाउन. राइट टू इनहेरिटेंस लॉ. राइट टू इनहेरिटेंस लॉ. राइट टू इनहेरिटेंस लॉ. अनेक right to inheritance law means division of agriculture fields in a generations. Earlier, around 20-30 years back, a person which possesses 10 acres of a land, he also having as their 5 of their kids. 10 acres, divided among the all the 5 kids, 2 acres. उन आगे उनके 2 बच्चे भी हुए 1 acre, आगे डबल हुए ½ acre. This is the reason root cause responsible for the smaller land holdings in India. हाँ, बंटवारा. अब लैंड कम हो गया, they are, as the Kritika said, 60 हैं आप. चलो, clear? Next, nomadic herding. Nomadic herding. Nomadic herding. Anik Kundra. Nomadic herding. HERDING. Anik Kundra, clear? Nomadic herding. In this technique of agriculture, people rear, tribals rear animals, they rear animals, they rear animals and displace from one place to another for the search of grazing lands, with their herds, which included as the cows, buffaloes, goat, sheep, camel, yak, etc. Presently in India, Gujars and Bakarwals, Anek Gujars and Bakarwals, which are rearing as a goats. Gaddis rearing as a sheeps. Goats for the, Gujars for the buffaloes, Bakarwas for the goats, and Gaddis for the sheeps. Clear? From J&K, what they generally do during the winters, they are displaced towards the plains of India, and again during the summers they shifted towards the mountainous areas of J&K, Jammu and Kashmir. Bakarwals, goats, Gaddis, sheep, and Gujars, buffaloes. फार्म हाउस में रहते हैं. अच्छा, अच्छी बात है. चलिए, नेक्स्ट कमर्शियल फार्मिंग. स्मॉलर लैंड होल्डिंग्स. हाँ जी. When crops are produced for earn profits is known as a commercial farming. When crops are generally produced for earning profits, earn profits is known as the commercial farming. Dairy farming जो होगा वो commercial purpose के लिए होता है. Commercial purpose. If the Amarjot possess as a 1 cow, 1 buffalo, it will be as for their sustain of their family only. Clear? Commercial farming as a dairy farming in a larger scale. Okay, commercial farming. Characteristics of a commercial farming: large land holdings. Subsistence का opposite, large land holdings, larger agricultural fields. Second, modern inputs of farming like HYV seeds, high yielding varieties of seeds, HYV seeds, modern inputs of farming like HYV seeds, Anikundra, high yielding varieties of seeds, HYV seeds, high yielding varieties of seeds, comma, fertilizers, insecticides, etc. Insecticides, etc. Insecticides, etc. Third, assured irrigation facilities, assured ASS. Anikundra, ASS, URED. Assured irrigation facilities like tube wells, canals, etc. Tube wells, canals, etc. Yes, boliye. Assured irrigation facilities, ASSURED. मुझसे पूछिए, मैं बोलता हूँ. ASSURED, assured irrigation facilities like tube wells and canals. Third, fourth, mechanization of agriculture or use of machines in agriculture. Use of machines in agriculture. Use of machines in agriculture like tractors, combines, threshers, harvesters, tillers, etc. Any two examples, that's it. Tractors, combines, etc. Primitive, old. Rest we will continue on tomorrow.